Delz.
What's good? Back with a brand new unboxing. This is the Marvel Corp box. This month is Venom. Last month we did do the Deadpool edition. The box was missing stuff. The box was all crushed, and that kind of sucked. So I wasn't happy with it, but I gave it another shot because Amazon hooked it up when I called and complained. So we'll see how we do with round two. This retailed for about $30, I'm pretty sure, somewhere around there. May even been less than that or more. I don't really remember. And I'm hoping that it's good. Let's see what's in the box. We got the pop, we got stickers and stuff. Let's get up close and see everything in close detail. Okay, so in the box we have a sticker right here, which is cool. I mean, it's basically a throwaway for me. You have a card breaking down everything, and you have the pop, you have a pint-sized hero, you have a stress ball, you have the decal, and you have this shirt, which is blue. Why would you put out a blue Venom t-shirt? That is just like, that's horrible. This is Venom, black and white. Why would you put a blue t-shirt together for Venom? Horrible. So right off the bat, that just makes no sense to me. Which I'm not even going to take out the bag because I'm definitely going to hook someone up with this. This is just so stupid to me. Like, why would you do a Venom t-shirt on blue? Like, it looks like bootleg, you know? It's like something you'd see at like a flea market or something like that. This is horrible. It comes with this ball, like a squeezy ball. This little translucent pint-sized hero is just, I mean, I'm sorry, but it's whack to me. This is a throwaway item. All of these are throwaway items, basically. And this t-shirt is a throwaway item. I mean, it's like Charlotte Hornet colors almost. It's so strange for a Venom t-shirt. Weird. You got the Funko Pop, which looks absolutely awesome. Let's take them out of the box. Bang that thumbs up button right now for that out of the box look. So there's a look at the pop now on its stand. Now this thing is awesome. It looks like, you know, Venom is in attack mode, ready to just tear it up. Love how the tongue looks. It looks super badass, and it's an awesome one. So, I mean, the pop is sick. You're basically paying for the pop. I mean, some of you guys may like all these little extra goodies, and that's totally cool. I just give my honest opinion. I'm not trying to complain, but at the same time, I'm not going to pretend that I'm super excited when I'm not, you know? That's not the point of these videos. It's to help the consumers out, plus give you guys a good look. That's my goal when I do these videos. There is a side profile, and it looks really awesome, I must say. There's a look at his back. I noticed the paint isn't that great over there. Kind of like scuffed out, which sucks. There's a look at his other side. Make him bobble. And one more time, looking at Venom. Let me know if you're excited about the movie. I sure am. I hope it's going to be good. I really do. I really hope it's going to be good. Love the tongue. Looks sick. I did review Carnage the other day, the FYE exclusive. Definitely watch that video. I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. It's sick. I take it out of the box, give you a close-up look, so definitely check out that video. And just want to give you guys that good look. And once again, this was last month's. Or the last release. Maybe not last month's. Which was an awesome pop. I just didn't like that the box was so damaged. Sick pop. Thanks for watching today's video. If you're looking to get the next box, the subscription box with Marvel, I will link down in the description box below for your convenience, along with a bunch of other Funko Pops that I think you're definitely going to want to lock in. So look at the listing below in the description box below. Definitely subscribe if you're new. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys next time. We out.
Delz.
What's good? It's your boy Delz. Welcome to a new vlog. As you can see here, we are walking down to the ring to WrestleCade. Check it out. Some legends in the building right there.
Shout out to DJ Delz.
Tell them who you are. They should know, but tell them who you are.
They know who I am. I'm Mr. Wonderful. Don't forget it.
Ever, ever, ever.
Ever.
Ever, ever. Skinny Popo. That's your brother's ring? Wow. Let me get close up. I heard EC3 got Yeezys on. Look at you stunning. Stunning in your Yeezys, huh? Oh, man. I see the money's better than ever, huh? Better than ever, EC3. How's things going, EC3? I appreciate you last year you were up here.
I was, listen, I won the Battle Royal. How you doing, sir?
Yep. Oh, you did a great job on Matt's head, too. Do you remember that?
Vaguely. Oh, yeah! I was here.
I wanted a rematch. Is that okay?
Not tonight. I think he has Ryback tonight.
You may have to just dive in there again.
Okay, we'll see what happens. I don't know, I like this Matt Hardy. I like Broken Matt Hardy.
Yeah, that's Vanguard 1.
He's up to that, watching more. He is always surveilling.
Oh, surveillance?
Yeah.
For security, right? Security purposes? Thank God. Thank God for him. I prayed for him when he was hurt. I prayed every night.
He was drinking too much last night.
I know. Oh, yeah? What were you drinking? Tequila?
I think he spiked his lemonade.
So happy he's back. I'm back. I'm so happy he's back. Billy, your work is incredible. Kevin Nash.
Kevin Nash shouting out to the Sneaker Addict show with Delz.
You wore these and a big moment of your career when you were in the ring, NWO. Do you remember exactly?
I mean, I've worn them a couple of times, but yeah.
Are you still into sneakers at all? Or?
Oh yeah.
Hey, this is former WWE wrestler and ECW original, the Blue Meanie, and you're watching the Delz Show. Watch it. Blue Meanie, Blue Meanie, Blue, 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 Blue.
This is Eddie Edwards, Mr. AIP, your TNA Impact World Heavyweight Champion. I just want to send a shout out to the Delz Show. Say what up. I'm a big fan. You guys should be too. Shout out to the Delz Show. Decay, decay, decay.
Around 50 years.
It's your boy Delz, and we got the big guy,
Ryback.
DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
Benjamin.
I got a good one now.
This is Matt Cross, best friend of Son of Havoc, and I've been asked about the differences between wrestling normal and under a mask, and it's obvious, right? If you did anything, if you mowed your lawn and you put something over your face, what do you think? I mean...
All right, I'm stupid for asking this.
No, I didn't mean it like that. No. The mask, your peripheral vision is obviously affected. I mean, if you go like this, you can't see left or right. In normal life, that's scary. Now, in pro wrestling, when punches and kicks and everything's coming your way, it's that much scarier. So, yeah, it takes a whole different world. I'm just glad that I never put one on 1 year, 2 years, 3 years into wrestling because I wouldn't have been able to do it.
Yeah.
At this point, 16 years in, so much is trust and feel and confidence, and that makes a difference.
It's natural for you now.
It really is. So it's like, so you could take away your vision to some degree. You could take away that comfort level, and you're still there. But that takes with years of experience.
Well, I would say you have the most gangster look on the planet. I mean, he's wrestling in a ski mask.
Pretty much.
Does it get more gangster than that?
Yeah,
it doesn't.
We're up a bank next in the open road.
What's your on Twitter before we go?
It's MDog Matt Cross, and same thing on Facebook, same thing on Instagram. So.
And Lucha Underground on Wednesdays.
That's right.
At 8 o'clock Eastern.
Network.
On the El Rey Network.
Bam.
Best show on TV.
Best show ever.
Ever. Later, bro. Much love.